Hello, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. Today we are going to try and not duplicate, but make my mom's green pepper steak. I remember her making this stuff and I was a huge fan of it. Absolutely loved it. But I haven't had it for years. Mom's passed away, but I thought I'd try and make it. Some people may call it stir fry, but Mom called it green pepper steak. We'll bring you back. Alright, we're just going to show you a quick little part of me just cutting up this thin top round, I believe it was, the slight thin sliced top round, yeah. So I'm just, you can see I already got the vegetables already cut up over there. All I got is green, yellow, and red bell pepper and about half of a sweet onion. But I want to show you a little bit of something of it, and I'm cutting across the green just to make this as tender as possible. I'm actually even leaving some of the fat in, believe it or not. It's against my rules, but it's so thin I don't think I'm gonna have to really deal with any of it. That's really about it. Like I said, the bell peppers and the onions are already cut. One bell of each color, one yellow, one green, one red. And this was already thin sliced. This is about almost a pound and a third, so almost a pound and a half of top round. That was just some olive oil. This is some sesame oil. I'm just adding a little bit of it in there just to get that little umami flavor into it. Alright, we're trying to get this thing leveled up as best I can. All I'm going to do is just use some Uncle Steve's SPG to season my vegetables. Smelling good. I'm just going to put a little bit of red pepper flake in there. Hope I got enough coal. I should have. Doesn't quite fit, but I think it works. All I'm doing is just cooking these onions and bell peppers just so they start to get a little translucent looking. I'm hoping I have enough coal. I got the meat to cook next. I gotta get these veggies cooked up because my wife is already going to be complaining because she's not a veggie person. Right over here I have got the egg noodles. Yeah, egg noodles cooking. These are almost done. When they're finished, I'm going to put the meat in here next and then combine everything all back together again. And I have a cheater sauce that I want to use for them. I think these are done. Still got a little crunch to them. Alright, I'm going to call these done. I'm just going to put them right back into the pan that I had them cut up into. Alright, so next we're going to do basically the same thing, but this is going to be our meat. More of the Uncle Steve's SPG. I'm going to wish this was a little bit hotter, I'm afraid. I'll bring in a little bit more oil. Might be alright. Get it covered up. So I had to go to plan B, get this wok a little closer to the coals because I'm just about ready to run out of coals. All I did was take the center grate out of this, out of my Weber grate here. So before this finishes, I'm going to put about a teaspoon of minced garlic in there. I really like this stuff. I've used this stuff I can't tell you how many times. Taste of Inspirations, and it's a sweet bourbon. It says marinade. You can use it as a marinade only, but I use it as a cooking sauce also. I'm calling the meat done. I'm going to bring back in the vegetables. If it was me, I'd have a whole lot more veggies in here, but my wife is also going to be eating this. My wife is like Emily. Nothing green, nothing vegetable. And with our sauce, I'm going to stop with about half of a bottle. Well, you can smell that bourbon. I got my center grate back in there just to get this stuff off that heat a little bit. I want it to stay warm for just another minute or two, but I really don't want it to cook anymore. I'm happy with where we're at. Alright, let's go ahead and plate some of this up. Now, I use egg noodles, and these aren't even the same egg noodles as my mom used to use years ago. I haven't had this stuff in so long. We called it green pepper steak. Some people are going to call it stir fry. I mean, it's whatever you want to call it. If it makes you happy, call it whatever you want to call it. But I remember it as green pepper steak my mom would make, and she would make her own sauce. But the egg noodles that she used to use were a little smaller in size than these. And you can use rice. You don't have to use egg noodles. You can put rice on here. Like I said, if I was cooking for myself, I promise you I would have a whole lot more veggies in this. So we're going to take a couple pictures and we'll bring you right back. Alright, the pictures are done. Let's see if it's as good as what Mom used to make. I doubt it very seriously. I think she really took pride in making that green pepper steak. I don't know, Mom. This is pretty good. Alright, there you have it. Mom's green pepper steak. Mom, rest in peace. I wish I'd watched this recipe from scratch, but I think I did pretty good. I'm Lance of Sleeper Barbecue. We thank you for watching. We hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.